Hey, how's it going? In this video, I am creating a micro directory for music industry contacts. What I'm doing is scraping LinkedIn, I'm tidying up the data, I'm inputting that into a spreadsheet, I'm using Spreadsheet to launch my website, and then I've just adjusted some styling. So the project is called sounded.io, and here is the website. Very basic, but quite good for a spreadsheet, simply as that. You can search for all sorts. At the moment, I've just inputted mastering companies, and it's around about 300 all in all in here, but I plan to fill it out. I'm currently doing a scrape right now for publishing companies. This is gathering data from LinkedIn. So I'll show you my setup. I'm in Captain Data, and I am doing a search sales navigator for companies, and then I'm doing an extract on the company profile. So if we go in sales nav, let's have a look. I'm doing an account search, and I'm doing like mastering companies, and then I'm adjusting the categories and bits and pieces on the left hand side, and then I'm grabbing the URL. I'm going to Captain Data, I go to Configure Inputs, and I put in the search URL. And what this will do, this will search for every single company in that list, then extract it into a spreadsheet. Once the extract is done, it looks like this. So here's the mastering companies scrape, lots and lots and lots of data. Too much for my needs. I need to refine it down just so I get what I need. Otherwise I spend all the morning organizing, but it doesn't take that long. And then what I'm doing here is putting it into a master sheet. The master sheet looks like this. The good thing with Spreadsheet is that you can inject certain styling into the spreadsheet, and then it will reflect the styling on the actual website. So for example, SV is highlighted. If we go to cilio.xyz, let's just search for that in a little database. Oops. You can see here's the styling. You can see the highlighted part here. And if we make this company featured in the spreadsheet, I've got a little featured styling here called Next Big Thing. I thought that was a interesting touch. And then if we publish the data, we'll do another search. You can see here, Silo or Cilio is now the next big thing, and it's a featured company on the directory. Let's just see if this other search is finished. Yeah, publishing, so I've got 510 companies. I'm going to download this, like this, and I will go to my spreadsheet, move my face so it doesn't need to be there, and we'll just call this one publishing, if I can spell it. I'll correct that later. And we'll do an upload, and then we'll drag the sheet into here, and then we want to replace the current sheet, detect automatically. So you can see here I've got a lot of data. I need to tidy this up, and I will tidy bits of it now just so you can see what I do. Like here, where it's passed the information from basically the scraper to here, we're left with a load of little brackets and crap basically we don't want to look. So I'm going to remove some of these brackets using find and replace, and I'm going to replace with a space. Oops, I didn't press replace all. Always helps, doesn't it? So I'll delete these, and then we'll replace all of these. So you can see the left hand, the bracket's gone, and now we want to do it with the right brackets. And then we'll replace all, and let's tidy that one up. Well, that's tidying we got to do last funding dates. I'll just clean all of this crap up because we don't really want to. And then we got the address here, we got the wiggly brackets, I don't know the proper word. We'll replace these. And then we got this and a colon next to the address here, and we'll replace these. And we've got another wiggly bracket in other field, I'll notice a square bracket. I need my eyes tested, and we'll replace this. And that just helps us tidy up the data. So when I'm copying and pasting, it's not going to be chaos. You can see here we've got loads of speech marks. I'm just going to remove all of these so it tidies it up. And then what I want to do is clean up the white space. I'll do data cleanup, clean up suggestions, and we'll just trim all of the white space, as in like the extra spaces around the commas and stuff like that. And so this sheet is now cleaned. I'm going to copy and paste the right parts of this into my master sheet, and I'm going to categorize it, and then I will publish the database, and Spread Simple will be updated, and the website will look different. It will be full of about 1,000 contacts instead of about 300. So that is how to build a spreadsheet website at scale in no time at all. If you found this video helpful, drop me a subscribe on the channel and let me know in the comments on how this has helped you. Cheers.